Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to um, enable the Google Assistant in your Oppo A16 by pressing the button. So first of all, go to the settings here and search for Convince tool here. And there is option Wake Up Google Assistant by power button. Enable it, and as you see, you can press and hold the button for half second to wake up the Google Assistant. Let's try if it's working. It's been vibrated. Yeah. Hi Google. As you see, the Google Assistant is working, but he doesn't understand me. Anyway, in this case, you can easily always fast turn on your Google Assistant by press and hold for about seconds the power button. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!